So here is a simple example of storing data. We are creating file here. So what is the mode? Output mode. What is the channel number? 2. We are inputting data. We are inputting address. Now with this write command, what we are doing there? We are storing this data and this data to this file number. After that, we are using close to close the file, and this is for the message. Let's save it. Let's run it first. So asking for the internet, run, address, Kathmandu, the record ID finished. That's all. Now let's see the data we have entered really stored or not. File.dat. So here is the file. Let's open it in Notepad. So look here. So the data it has been stored. Is not it very simple? It's very simple. Now if we want to uh, get some more data, so nothing more we have to do there. What we need there? So let's save it first. Data file writing. Now let's save it again. File, save as, appending, 2. Now if we want to add more data, then nothing more we have to do there. Just let's put here append. That's all. Let's save it. Let's run it. Sunil, yes. The record ID finished. Yes. Now let's see the data is stored or not. So look here. First it was only Rama Kathmandu. Next we have stored there Sunil USA. So it's very simple for you to store the data. I hope you also about this one. Uh, Next day we'll be talking about the reading data and just reading more and more data. So till then, thank you. Take care.